Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will discuss about car accident lawyers, insurance. So watch completely video and also subscribe my YouTube channel for more insurance videos. Car accident lawyers, car accident attorneys serving injured victims for 60 plus years. Getting into a car accident can be frightening and devastating experience, especially if you have been injured. If you find yourself in such a situation, the experienced car accident lawyers at Manley Law are ready to fight for you today. Let over auto accident attorneys focus on getting you the compensation you deserve. Call or chat today or use our online form to schedule your free consultation. What does a car accident lawyer do after you've been in a car accident? You might be wondering with what your next step is in order to receive compensation for your expenses. Our personal injury personal understand auto auto accidents victims will want to prioritize their mental and physical health and not focus on dealing and with an insurance company or messy court case. An experienced car accident attorney will take the weight off of your shoulders by handling the insurance company and your claim, all while you focus on getting yourself better. Of course, our car accident attorneys will fight to award you a fair settlement over your car accident claim, investigate your car accident. Our car wreck lawyer works with investigators, police, and professional reconstructionists to understand exactly what happened in your crash. We collect important evidence, including photos, what the crash scene, witness statements, surveillance footage, cell phone records, and more. Prove negligence. In order to win, your injury attorneys must prove negligence. There are four elements. The defendant owed the plaintiff a duty of care in car accident cases. All drivers have a duty to operate their vehicles in a a reasonably careful manner and to follow the rules of the road. We must demonstrate that the defendant breached their duty by breaking the law and or behaving recklessly and watch completely video. So watch completely video and also subscribe my YouTube channel for more insurance videos. Watch completely video. Take care and goodbye.